Oh, what up? What's happening? You already know the drill. Look, we ain't gonna take too much time again, man. We're gonna get straight into it, man. You see the black box gold jump, man. We have the women's Air Jordan 11 Retro Olive Luxe. Now, this is supposed to be a luxury Jordan 11 for the women, so let's see what it's about, man. Comes wrapped in the black paper and the white paper. You know what I'm saying? So, when I film this, I mean, it is what it is, man. Look, here it is, man. The Air Jordan 11 Olive Luxe. Now, I don't know how to feel about this, really and truly. I shouldn't have no feelings about it anyway, because this is a woman's shoe. Okay, let me get that out the way first. You know what I mean? But I must say, man, they do have some premium materials on this shoe. You know what I'm saying? Starting with the soft green suede. You know what I mean? Under the bottom, you got the semi-translucent sole, gum sole, better yet. You know, like I say, you got that light green, soft suede. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna replace the patent leather. You know what I mean? You got the light olive on the rest of the upper. You know what I mean? So, hey man, look, they got the gold jump, man. They got the gold little metal. You got the gold little metal whatchamajig on the front for the strings. I mean, hey man, look, it's a premium shoe, no doubt about it. But you know, just the way they put it together to me, man. There's a look at the jump, man, the gold one. On the back, you got the 23 in gold. Medial side, you see what it is. There's a look from the top. Let me fix that for you right quick. You heard me? There's a better look at that metal lace, whatever you call it. You know, like I say, man, look, the shoe overall is high quality. You know what I'm saying? There's a look at the insole. You got the olive with the gold jump, man. Like I say, man, look, I think they hit us with some premium material on these. You know what I mean? It's well put together, man, but I don't know about these designs going around the mud guard, man. That's kind of like a turn off to me, man. But this shoe is for women, it's not for men, so I shouldn't really have an opinion about it anyway, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, like I say, man, look, as far as the quality of the shoe, I think it's dope. You know what I'm saying? It's well put together, you know, but just the colors, I'm not feeling it. You know what I'm saying? Now, maybe I have to see somebody sauce these things out, you know what I'm saying? It might change my mind or whatever, but it is what it is, man, you know. They got some nice suede on there. You see the suede all on the tongue and everything, man. I mean, he did it up for the ladies on this one, man. You know what I'm saying? I can't knock it. You got the all suede. I'm not sure what this is. Like, I don't know. It is what it is, though, man. Look, here's another look at it. Hopefully you like it. If not, let me know in the comments, man. Let me know how you feel about these, man. Air Jordan 11, well, better yet, the women's Air Jordan 11 Olive Luxe. Dope little shoe. I'm not really feeling this design going around the mud guard, man, you know, but it is what it is, man. Like I said, it's not for me to like, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. It's the Air Jordan 11 Olive Luxe for women. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazare504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holla back.